We are just outside of Pattaya Water Park in Jomtien Beach. We are on top of a 56-story tower that we've been seeing behind our hostel. They have a zip line that goes from the top of the tower down to the ground. Now, I'm gonna be honest, it's a little bit rusty, a little bit sketchy, but it looks exciting and we're ready to go. Looks like 100 baht. Oh, that's the water park's only 100 baht? Dude, the water park's $3.
There's a revolving restaurant up there.
From the hotel, you can take one way, only 400 baht.
They also have a gondola that comes from the ground all the way up. The gondola itself costs 400 baht. If you take the gondola up, it's 300 baht to take the zip line down. You can also choose to take the elevator from the hotel, then it's 400 baht to zip line down. The park is largely abandoned. None of the rides are really working. The water park still has a decent amount of people in there. It's only 100 baht to get in, so it's very affordable for a local Thai, but I probably wouldn't ride any of these rides. We're gonna go down that thing. This is the real tower up there.
Just making sure I'm the right way. I don't want to have a snap, crackle, pop Rice Krispie.
Dude, we're rolling the dice either way.
First, you go up 55 floor. 3 one bean, hot tea, hot coffee, olive juice. After that, you go up 56 floor.
56th floor?
This is the gondola. Just sign your life away.
If any accidents or any dangers in case of all the activities or maybe injury or death, I have to take responsibility by myself in any cases. Do not allege and or inform against Pattaya Park Beach Hotel Co. Limited for any payment. And that's how that works.
How many people have died on this thing? All right, we're about to full send down this Tower of Terror. It doesn't look too bad. Well. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Beautiful.
So nice, guys. So nice. You gotta do this. I just hope this cable doesn't snap. Sketchy ass. Beautiful. Watch the scaffolding.
Just finished the zip line. I was scared as crap, but we got through it.
It was pretty dope.
It was pretty cool.
I like how slow it was, just so you could really kind of take in the scene. You could see like pretty much everything. You felt like you were just parachuting in. It was nuts.
It was fun. It's definitely worth the 400 baht if you're in the area. Just do it.